Hi, in this video I'd like to address an error that some people have in my classroom with Visual Studio Code and Java. Let me show you the error and then we'll fix it. So I'm going to run this program and you'll see the error here. It says compiling for Java 1.7 is no longer supported. Now the reason why this error occurs is because I'm using a Maven project and you can see the POM file here configures everything. The error lies in this file right here at version 1.7. So if you've created a Maven project, like in this example, we're using the quickstart template, and you get this error, you can fix it quite simply by changing this number. Now, what do you change it to? That's the question. So let's go to our command prompt. So I'm going to open up the command prompt with the cmd command, and I'm going to ask my computer, which version of Java are you running? So that's Java-version, and you can see that version number 22 is installed on my computer. Now it's okay if you don't have 22. As long as you have anything newer than version 8, you'll be okay. So whatever that number is, whether it's 11 or 17 or 22, you just change this number here and it will recompile your project using your newest version of Java. So let's see what this does now. Let's take out 22. Now when I press Control S to save it, I will have a prompt that says the build modification has changed or something like that. Would you like to synchronize your configuration? So you can either choose yes, or if you're annoyed with this, you can just choose always and it'll never ask you again. So if I choose yes, you see a few things changed, and let's see if it'll run this time. So I get out of this POM file, back to my app, and let's see if we get hello world. It says it's compiling and it's debugging, and what do we get? Hello world. So there it is. So this time the error has gone away. Now you might have another error, such as how do you get Maven installed, or you have a Java home error. So I will leave links to those solutions in the comments below, as well as one of the suggested videos here. So thanks for coming, and make sure you subscribe if you want to join my class where we teach software development.